very tired, very happy, very big. Native speakers almost never say very, and today you will find out what they say instead. Sarah, how do you feel about the word very?
Honestly, it is very overused.
And that is the last time we will say it in this episode. Welcome to Real English Podcast. The word very is one of the most overused words in Learner English. Today we will replace it with single powerful words that say the same thing, and much more naturally. The trick is this: instead of very plus an adjective, use a stronger adjective alone.
Very cold becomes freezing. Very tired becomes exhausted. The meaning gets stronger and the sentence gets shorter.
Let us start with physical sensations. Instead of very cold, say freezing.
It is absolutely freezing outside. I am freezing. Let me grab a jacket.
Instead of very hot, say boiling or scorching.
It is boiling in here. The sun was scorching today.
Instead of very tired, say exhausted or drained.
I am absolutely exhausted after that flight. She looked drained after the long shift.
Instead of very hungry, say starving.
I am starving. Can we eat soon? The kids are starving after school.
Instead of very scared, say terrified.
I was terrified in that horror movie. He is terrified of heights.
5 down. Very cold equals freezing. Very hot equals boiling or scorching. Very tired equals exhausted or drained. Very hungry equals starving. Very scared equals terrified. Let us keep going. Now emotions. Instead of very happy, say thrilled or delighted.
I am thrilled to be here. She was absolutely delighted with the gift.
Instead of very sad, say devastated or heartbroken.
She was devastated when she lost the job. He was heartbroken after the breakup.
Instead of very angry, say furious.
She was furious about what happened. He was absolutely furious.
Instead of very surprised, say astonished or shocked.
I was absolutely astonished. She looked completely shocked.
And instead of very interesting, say fascinating or captivating.
That documentary was fascinating. The lecture was absolutely captivating. I could not look away.
Quick game. I say very plus adjective. You give me the stronger word.
Let us do it.
Very big.
Enormous. Or massive. Or gigantic.
Very small.
Tiny. Or minuscule if you want to be dramatic.
Very difficult.
Challenging. Or grueling if it is really hard.
Very clean.
Spotless. Immaculate even.
Excellent. You are doing, say it with me, outstandingly well. The pattern today: replace very plus adjective with one powerful word. Freezing, boiling, exhausted, starving, terrified, thrilled, devastated, furious, astonished, fascinating. These are the words native speakers reach for automatically. The more you practice them, the more natural your English sounds.
And you no longer need to say very at all.
Challenge: go one full day without saying very. Replace every very with a stronger word. Tell us how it goes in the comments.
Subscribe for more upgrades. We are thrilled, not very happy, thrilled to have you here.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast. See you next time.